Hi everyone, I am Nazan Akman. I'm a freshman student in Mechanical Engineering Department at Beykent University, and this is my Physics 102 project. In this project, I set up 5 different complex circuits and try to calculate each voltage and current values. And the aim of this experiment is verifying and observing the Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law helps us to find voltage and current values in complex circuits. As you know, we have Ohm's law for simple circuits, but sometimes Ohm's law is not enough, and we use Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law consists of 2 different laws, Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's current law states that if we have a node or junction, entering current plus the exiting current must be equal to 0. And in Kirchhoff's voltage law says that if we create a loop, sum of the voltage values must be equal to 0. I'd like to explain how my procedure goes on. I set up 5 different complex circuits, and I use the same voltage value in every circuit, which is 20 volts. If I want to calculate the current values, I connect my multimeter in series. If I want to calculate the voltage values, I connect my multimeter in parallel. As you can see, this is my first circuit, which is the most basic one, I think. One of the resistors, I have 3 resistors by the way. One of them is series and 2 of them is parallel. As you can see, I calculated the voltage and the current values, and my error percentage was 1. This is my second circuit. I have 5 different resistors, and I calculated the voltage and current values for each resistor, and my error percentage was 0.5, which is quite small. And this is my third circuit, which is, I think, the most complicated one. And this is quite interesting for me because the resistor in the middle of the circuit is a short circuit. There shouldn't be no voltage or current values, but I have some little voltage and current values, as you can see it, which is my error basically. But this was the third resistor was the short circuit, and as you can see, I calculated the other voltage and the current values. My error percentage was quite small. This is my fourth circuit, and this is basically 3 parallel and 2 parallel resistors connected in series, and I calculated the voltage and the current values as I did before. My error percentage was high in this one. My error percentage was 11, and this is my last circuit. 2 of them are in series, 1 of them is parallel to them, and 1 of them is series to this circuit. I calculated the voltage and the current values, as you can see, and my error percentage was 1.8. As a result, I like to mention about my errors. My errors was quite low, I think, but there will still be errors, and I think the reasons of these errors may be caused by me because I use resistors too many hours, and I may not be very careful about while I was connect the resistors. But I think I verified the Kirchhoff's law in my experiment, and my errors wasn't too high. And that's it. Thank you for listening.